Hello! Well, it's springtime here in Boston, which can only mean one thing: day drinking outside. And the other one thing it means is it's time to repot my crap. So we're going to repot a few things today, and I'll show you how bad my material really is. Maybe we'll do some trimmity-doos. Trimmity-doos? That's it. Let's get to it. So, all of these trees right here, these two are Manitoba maples, and this is a Forsythia. And you know what, the rest of them are just, they're all crap. It's all crap. But they all have some potential, and a lot of these were so hastily harvested that all I had to put them in was straight up potting soil, like Miro, full of peat. Contains all the moisture, and I'm surprised that they've lived this long. I harvested them last spring, so here they are, a year out, and they're budding. So the first thing I gotta do is get these into actual draining, quote, bonsai soil. I know, it's all crap. I get it. Yes. Isn't it beautiful? So I pulled it out of the potting soil, and everything predictably fell off, and I think that is probably for the better. I'm not going to do any root pruning. I thought I was going to slip pot it. Now it's pretty much a bare root operation. So, back in there it goes. And watered in. It's crap. It's all crap. Now this one I actually like. I think this is another Norway Maple. It's got some funky movement. It's got a pretty awful root base, one-sided. But I like it. It's growing, it's healthy. I just gotta get it out of that dirt. And it's some real bonsai soil. Boy, I am really tempted to cut that middle root off. All the roots on one side, nothing on the other side, and there may never be anything on the other side. But I'm not touching the roots. I'm just slip potting because they say that's what you're supposed to do. Let them go for at least a year. I'm only doing this because I have to, and I have to get it out of that crap soil so it actually drains. Whatever. Motherfucker. God damn it. Started to drain? Well, I guess that wasn't a big enough drainage hole. Just the one at the bottom, because it's not draining right. But I'm not going to do anything about it, because I'm an idiot. It's all crap. Yeah, from Target.
Yeah, I've got them. We got them from the place where Target was.
Okay, well, we're going to eat those later. You're next, Mr. Forsythia on a rock, even though it's been only one spring. By necessity. Wow, 1 year. I'll get rid of most of this crap too. Whew, man. Always in a rush, you know what I mean? Look what I did. Ah. Well, that was less than ideal. Turns out I didn't have the right size pot. Not even close. I'm not optimistic about this one. It's all crap. I don't know. This is not my favorite kind of moss. This is going to die in the sun. But I'm just worried about these roots that I've exposed. Even though they're Forsythias, they're pretty tough. They still probably won't like what I'm doing to them. I'll probably leave that the electrical tape on for another little while, maybe until next spring. I have no idea. I have no idea how I'm even going to style this thing. Please help me. Just help. Because it's crap. And yet another crap maple in the wrong soil. I think I have just enough soil to do one more tree. So I'm going to do this piece of crap and call it a day. Potted. Oh my God. Yeah. I think that was too close. Well, here's today's work. For what it's worth. It's crap. It's crap.